Hey, what you doing there, Annie?
Actually, I am gathering rat root. This is actually the best time to be gathering rat root, which is in the fall, because all of the plant gets ready for the winter, and in order to do that, they start to store all of their foods into the root system. So I am gathering rat root, and you can actually distinguish what rat root looks like because they have a very distinct stalk with a bulb here. Almost looks like a rat tail at the end. And once you've found your rat root plant or sweet flag, you can actually smell from the plant. It actually smells like the rat root itself. So what you do is you take a shovel and you go around the outer perimeter of the plant and you expose that, and then once you've done that, you start to look for the main root system, and once you do that, you can pull it away and look what we have. We have rat root. Then I'll go home and I will clean this and dry it, and then make tea, or you can chew it, and it's used for a number of different things. It's used for headaches, toothaches, stomach aches, if you have a cold, if you feel like you're getting run down. This will help to boost your immunity. So this is the rat root itself. So I'm going to be pulling this out, putting it to the side, and getting ready for put this in my own medicine chest. Like I said, it's here we go. Here's some more. This is the main roots or for the plant. See how it's exposed there? It actually looks like a rat tail when you find it. And like I said, it's got a very sweet, distinct odor that it gives off once you start to dig around the outer perimeter. It can be very messy though. So here we go. See if I can find some more here. Nope. Whatever you do, don't. Here's some. There's all sorts here. Usually 2 plants will give you more than enough rat root for your family. You never want to gather too much because you want to make sure that others can harvest also. So only take what you need or what you've been requested for. Don't take any more than that because that's not the way the Creator intended for us to be. And it's good to have a knife sometimes to be able to cut this away to remove it from the plant itself. There we go. I'll clean that after.
Very good, very good.
There we go, I can feel a big one here. There we go.
Very good, thank you very much for showing us this.
You're welcome.